Updating your API settings on EnergySage is essential for ensuring that your integration works smoothly. Follow these simple steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Login. Access your EnergySage account by entering your username and password on the login page. Step 2. Navigate to API settings. Once logged in, locate the settings menu on your dashboard. Click on it and then select API settings from the drop-down options. Step 3. Review current settings. In the API settings section, review your current API configuration. Take note of any existing keys or parameters that may need updating. Step 4. Update API keys. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use srug to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. This scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the Save button to apply your changes. Confirm that your settings have been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your API settings on EnergySage. Regularly checking and updating your settings will help maintain optimal performance for your integrations.